Good morning, guys! I wake up na and my king is right there. Fighting with Daisy. Like a Tom and Jerry. Where's Daisy? Daisy! Mamas!
Here she is.
Here you go! She always following you. Wherever you go in the bathroom. She's always there. You see that? How so sweet. Oh, hug daddy, hug daddy. That's why she like it. She like the what is this sweet moment? Daisy! Nope. She not preparing your food. She looking at you. She think she thinking
Flawless.
she thinking that you prepare his food.
No,
She
no,
look
no, no. Say,
no, Daisy. It's not yet time. Oh, where she go? Where she go? You make tampo, Daisy? You make
just
tampo,
like,
Daisy?
just like my queen. Always make example.
Tampo.
Always make example because she can't get her way. You didn't talk to me today. You're not talking to me. I wanted to talk to you, baby. But you didn't want to talk to me.
Tampo. And then Daisy, what she do?
Every day is not a perfect day. I'm only human.
Guys, ito yung baon natin today. Vegetable salad with Italian dressing. Ayan, sarap na. Tapos yung ating munggo nandun, pinapainit ko kasi meron pa yung munggo natin. And may kanin po. Yun na, nagluluto. O, diba? Ganyan ako magluto kasi lumulubak yung tubig. Ayaw na ayaw. While I'm having coffee. And of course, di mawawala yung ating pandi coco. Diba? Let's eat, guys! Kape na tayo, guys! And ating pandi coco from Balay Pandesal. My king is waiting. O, diba? Nanonood siya ng TV. Let's have coffee, guys! You see my king is right there. Emoji face. Make some emoji face. Okay guys, let's go. Nakabihis na po tayo. Ito yung outing outfit. Kasi magsasandal na lang tayo. So let's go guys. Eh sabi niya, ilang hours na daw ako kinitignan. Ang mukha ko wala naman daw. Wala naman daw. Ipapalit. Wala naman daw. Kumbaga, ikakaganda. Kakaganda. Still pa rin yung face ko. Okay, let's go. Making rice there. Eating while watching movie. Okay. Let's go! Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa condo. So, papasok na tayo guys. Alam mo, ganda na dyan guys. Kasi, ano na, tapos na yung swimming pool. Patingin ko sa'yo pag nasa taas na ako.